Welcome back to Car Trend, where we explore timeless classics and bring you the most detailed insights into cars that made history. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 1976 Volkswagen Beetle, a car that's more than just a mode of transport. It's a cultural icon, a mechanical marvel, and one of the most recognizable shapes in automotive history. The 1976 Beetle may not seem like a revolutionary machine at first glance. After all, the design hasn't changed dramatically over the decades. But that's exactly the point. Volkswagen stuck to what worked. This car isn't about radical transformation. It's about refinement, consistency, character, and it delivers that in spades. By 1976, the Beetle had already been in production for over 3 decades. It was the people's car, the one your parents drove, maybe even your grandparents. And yet, this version feels like a final love letter to the original concept. Sleek curves, a modest footprint, and that unmistakable rear engine hum all make a comeback in this model, but with small updates that prove VW was still listening to its loyal fanbase. Under the hood, or rather, in the back, you'll find the 1.6-liter air-cooled flat-4 engine. It's not going to win any drag races, producing around 60 horsepower, but this car was never about speed. It's about reliability, simplicity, and joy. The engine is mechanical poetry, raw, honest, and easy to work on. For enthusiasts and weekend tinkerers, it doesn't get much better than this. Inside, the 1976 Beetle received several improvements aimed at comfort and safety. You'll notice high back bucket seats that offer more support than earlier models, and even standard 3-point seat belts, a clear nod to the increasing safety standards of the mid-70s. The dashboard got a refresh too, with a cleaner layout and better visibility. Volkswagen wasn't just preserving a legacy here, they were updating it to fit a modern era, step by step. Driving the Beetle is a unique experience. The steering is light and communicative, the gear shifts are mechanical and satisfying, and the suspension has that familiar bounce that Beetle owners have come to love. It feels alive, not like a machine, but like a companion on the road. Every noise it makes, every vibration through the floor, it all connects you to the experience in a way modern cars simply don't. And let's talk about style. In 1976, the Super Beetle variant came with McPherson strut front suspension and a slightly elongated front end, giving it a smoother ride and more trunk space. It kept the charm but added just a touch more practicality. The chrome bumpers, rounded headlights, and simple trim lines remain true to the original look, making it instantly recognizable no matter where you are in the world. Fuel efficiency, still impressive. Despite being a 70s model, you're looking at around 25 to 30 miles per gallon, not bad for a car of this era. Maintenance costs are low, and parts availability is solid even today thanks to a global network of enthusiasts and suppliers. So, what makes the 1976 Volkswagen Beetle special? It's not just that it's a car, it's that it's a symbol, a reminder that cars can be simple and soulful, that driving can be fun without 500 horsepower, and that some designs are just too good to fade away. If you've ever driven a Beetle, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, the 1976 model is a perfect place to start. It's the bridge between the past and the future of VW's most beloved creation. Thanks for watching Car Trend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, have you ever owned a Beetle, or taken one for a spin? We'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your engines purring.